Here I have my phone Go, and let me show you how to enable the backup options on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key to unlock your device. Afterwards, tap apps icon, find and select the settings. Then let's scroll down to the personal tab and choose backup and reset. Tap on backup my data. Let's enable this feature by using the following switcher. Let's go back. Then you need to set the backup account. So let me tap on backup account. And if you have added some Google accounts, you can use them. If not, let's just simply tap add account. The device is checking info. Let's just wait a couple of seconds. And here you can add your Google account. You can do it in two ways. You can create a new account by using that blue link, or you can use the existing Google account. So let me use the existing one. Let me input my email. That's right. Let's tap next. If the following message pops up, let's just tap go to the not now. Now it's time to enter the password. Let me do it. Alright, now you can choose next right here. If everything is alright, let's accept terms of service and privacy policy, tap accept. Here you may also enable or disable automatically backup device data. Let me leave it enabled, and let's tap next one more time. That's it. All you have to do right now is check if you have your account added. In my case it's added, so everything went well. You just enable backup my data and add necessary backup account. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.